The style of coach for Annie and Clarabel was a hard call at first. I mean at first. Then I came to the realization that, you know what, I pretty much built Railway Series Live Steam Thomas. And that's cool. The spacing between the drivers, to me personally, was a clear indication that this Live Steam Thomas was going a little more towards the Railway Series version. And another thing to note is the size of his boiler. That being said, I think it's only appropriate to build Annie and Clarabel like the Railway Series style, with the 2 bogies. This is the first step in the process of building Annie and Clarabel, and it starts with unboxing the bogies and or trucks.